Hey everybody, I am going to be working on cooking over an outdoor fire today, a little backyard bushcraft, if you will. I'm going to be making chili in my cast iron Dutch oven over an olive wood fire. I have a lot of olive wood back here. It has been very cold and rainy. In fact, it's rainy and foggy right now. You can see behind me there. You can barely see the building next to me. But I have got here on my little outdoor prep table everything I need to make chili. There's my Dutch oven. I got some spices. I got some veggies ready to cut up. Here's all my spices and cans of stuff with my little P38. For my fire, I am going to use as a tinder some locally sourced Aleppo pine fat wood. Oh, this stuff smells amazing. I've already kind of started cutting up some of the olive wood I have here in my backyard. Let me show you. I have a little pile right there, and I have all this other olive wood that's ready to be used and cut up. So follow me along while I'm cutting this stuff up, and we will go from there. You can see All right, that was fun. So, while that gets cooking, let's, what do you say we do some vegetable prep here and get our, one thing I'm going to use today is this spoon. This spoon is actually made from the wood pile that I'm using to start the fire. I made this, I'd say about a year or so ago. 2016. It doesn't get used much, so I can't think of a more perfect way to use it than to make chili on the burning corpses of his brethren. So let's get started. My knife today is a Dan Eastland Dogwood Custom Knives blade. I absolutely, positively love. This thing is razor sharp. Had to go get the meat. Ooh. All right, there it is. It cooked a little quicker than I was expecting, but it sure looks good. And the potatoes are still cooking. We'll pull those off in just a few minutes, but it's cooking right along. We're gonna try this here. See how it tastes. All right? I don't know. I know. We'll try it anyway, because you gotta try it. Right. That's not bad. Oh, the cats will get it. That's not bad, hey? Not bad at all. We'll definitely have that for dinner. Anyway. All right. Well, hey. Turned out good. Thanks, guys. See you next time.